weighs a little bit more.
Blemish now.
And so he actually was probably the runt, but little somehow just didn't flourish. And so we started giving her a lot of goat's milk and everything, and we also gave him some goat's milk. So much so that they, you probably know that. I'm just,
Yeah, right, yeah.
And so.
I had a Kentucky Camel before.
Big producers of eggs.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah. These producers, of course, you're taking the 4 big girls that we have there. He's a little funny. That one right there, Matt, the boy that just walked by. He doesn't like to be petted as much.
This one here?
Oh, I said that.
The one that's on me, or this one?
So this is all,
Oh, I said that. Maybe I'm wrong.
it's all in litter.
I guess he's in a mood.
This is all in the same litter.
And for Pig Info, because this was our first
He seemed like a really nice person on the phone when I was talking to him.
thing.
He's a wealth of knowledge.
Is this your first litter?
He's got a big
Yeah, this is our first letter. We got I got
Yeah,
the
he said he had
sow.
16
My
litters on the ground
my
now.
birthday's in a couple of weeks, and I got the sow and the boar for my birthday last year.
Oh.
They were little.
Well, our mountain park is 7 miles away from us, but it's like this. You know, we have deciduous conifers around, and you know, it's a nice place.
We're looking into. Okay, so you.
Oh, it's pretty.
this is.
Melissa, should we grab some apples?
Yeah, you give them some apples. Because they won't. Yeah, we won't get
Here,
any more
I'll go
apples.
grab some.
They're almost out of what you call apples anyway, so it's a good thing that 4 of the little babies are going.
And that's the great thing because Alex, he owns a farm, and you know you can't have animals and produce.
You know, I've had people out here for the soil and water, and I've had people out here from the county, and I'm a master gardener. No one has mentioned. I thought that here that we couldn't keep produce and animals. I thought I'd have to move the pigs over someplace else, but it doesn't seem to be the case.
Well, I think it's just a bigger commercial aspect.
Oh,
of
a commercial, yeah. You see, I've got raised beds.
Yeah, and like a you know, for your own self or your friends, I don't think it's that big of an issue, but you know, commercial.
Okay, here he is. Hold on one second.
Anyone get an apple? Anyone here?
Hello?
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 6 of them up. Come on, babies. Or do they go in there? Are they eating or opening it up?
How big is this pen?
That'd be great. Thank you, babe. Come on, get your apples. So are you raising other getting these, and then you're getting a boar, and you're going to cross everything with that boar?
Yeah.
Cool. These have been really. I love these pigs, and you know they win taste tests if you.
Oh, that's important.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah.
It's kind of like my sheep over there. I did some research, and they're the kind that
Like a-
Martha Stewart raises.
Yeah.
And they're the kind that Chef Ramsay will only serve at his Michelin restaurants.
Right. That's
It's
what we're
the
about.
Black Welsh Mountain Sheep, and they're used for fiber, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
People love their fiber. People here, I raise those, and they're like my best friends. You know, they're fiber people. And then what else? It's supposed to be tasty, and they're really good. You don't have to crop their tails because they're
What is the point in cropping their tails?
because a lot of their tails. You know, you'd never crop a pig's tail unless you were crowding them. But oh yeah, there's the scratch and patch. See, this is a non-GMO thing that we get them.
This is organic.
Oh,
GMO grower.
And
It
it-
grows pigs. It does
Yes.
the job.
hey, girl.
Nice. Let me-
Let's see, what was I saying?
The tails.
Oh, on sheep, their tails have got fluff all around, and when they poo or pee or anything, that just kind of ends up, and they end up with infections, and it gets nasty, and so that's
Same thing
what.
with pigs.
No, with pigs, when you have them all crowded together, they get nervous, and when pigs get really nervous, they chew on one another's. When I brought her, the vet told me when I brought her back, he said, "Now watch them." He said the others may try to like chew on her tail or something, because they'll, know that she's kind of sick. No one ever bothered her at all. But once again, these are really sweet pigs. And
Yeah, they seem very
they're really
docile
sweet to
and-
one another, and they all sleep in that box still on top of one another. It's good that 4 of them are going away because it's still going to be a challenge for 5 of them to get in. Those would be great moms and dads, and like I said, we'd come in and they would have, you know, be suckling on the father and everything. Everything was always fine, but we worried and stressed about it not being fine. And bought some more pigs, and I think they're going to get raised for food. So that's cool.
Strong
I always found well, the two we have now, and they were really skittish. Like when we first brought them out, like they were just freaking out. Like they couldn't even.
Farm in between that Ryan has just moved on to, and it's just a 6.5 acre there. And then we have a 40-acre tree farm up outside of Washington. I mean, outside of Kelso in Washington.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
You have your knife?
Are those the
Some
ones that
watermelon
are?
there.
No, they're not the watermelons.
Some people will say like not to feed them before shipping them, you know. And I go like, oh, so in addition to the stress of being shipped, they're also got to be hungry and, you know, I mean, like, yeah, they say that because they. I mean,
We read that and we talked about, but you were driving so far, we thought, let's
Telling
not.
them it's what Martha Stewart raises. It's what Chef Ramsay is the only sheep he thinks that
Corn
should be
mouth.
served in his, you know, Michelin restaurants.
Mm-hmm.
They are really good mothers. You don't have to dock the tails. I hate that. You know, their tails are naked on the
Oh, they are.
underside.
Mm-hmm.
The mountain sheep are all kind of like that.
Yeah, they are.
It's the lowland sheep that.
Mm-hmm.
So they're supposed to be better tasting. People like their fiber, and they're a heritage breed.
Cool. Who gets it?
Little piggy wants it.
They don't squeal as much when you. Just kind of keep down like that. They'll stay in. But if you just lift them by their hind legs, they tend not to squeal as much.
See, that's a boy. Here's a girl. Hi, sweetheart. How you doing?
Yeah, had this before. Slippery.
That's about what's going on.
You got oh.
You're okay.
Stop that! What are you doing taking that away from me?
It's like, oh, good place. This stuff, they're already like rooting around.
They're already pretty adapted. They're like, okay, that's cool. We're in.
They have traveled really well with me.
Have an apple.
Have an apple. He's back to like, okay.
He's getting hurt.
They get back to like being okay really quick.
Oh yeah.
Well, and which one you also want to have, and you might want to decide on this. You could always take them home, see if there's one that's a better breeder.
Yeah,
and
just
then
pick the
you
one that we like the best and say, hey, will you send in the paperwork on that one? Yeah.
could- Exactly. That's what I told the other guy because he took 2 and he was like, "Great, I love that idea." So.
That makes the best farm girl.
Yeah, that's right.
He's a really nice guy. I had a little trouble getting the tag in today, so he's a little weirded out about that, but really friendly. The boars are very friendly. His tag number's 381-1.
How old is he?
He's approximately 7 weeks old. And he's an armful when you pick him up. But I don't know how big Misty Morning's pigs
They look
are.
nice.
They do. Did you look at them?
They're a little, they're maybe a month older than he is, but they're born 4th of July actually.
Yeah, so they're a little bit older.
They're a little bit
now.
older.
They got a
but-
lot of hand care from
They had a lot
Yeah,
of
those
care
guys.
from
Yeah.
Have you got anyone around here that's putting any of them on? Well, it was a 10-ply. I tried to read the name and there's so much mud that I couldn't read it. I'll try washing it.
Oh my God, look how muddy he is.